What's up YouTube? I am Anjishnu
And welcome to the channel Bong Skate Life.
and today I have a package from none other than Decathlon. So I got the MF500 hard boot from Decathlon. So I have already opened to see the contents are right or not. So let's check it out. So at first we get the skates over here, and I'm keeping it aside for a moment because I have bought many things from them too. Like I have got these two packets of AVEX 7 bearings, each containing 8 of them, and two packets of 80mm 84A wheels from Oxelo, and also we get over here two sets of Allen keys. These were included with the skates itself, and it seems sort of a manual to how to use it, and nothing else in the box. Wheels and the bearings I have bought it differently, I mean separately. It doesn't come included with the skates itself. These skates are the Oxelo MF500 hard boot skates. As you can see over here, that these are the skates itself, and also in one of them you get the brakes, which is included, and it is a nice touch for the beginners. Like yes, here we get the manuals, and here we get the brake, and we also have two attachment points, two axles, so that you can attach them over here. So this will attach with both the rear wheel and the wheel before it, both the rear and the wheel before it, like this, and then you can attach it, and it is very nice for beginners. And also with the skates you get a extra set of axle. So let's talk about the specifications of this skate. This is the MF500 by Oxelo, and I have the 243mm version because I have quite a big feet and its size is 46 euro. So it gets a 243mm frame and aluminum frame. It's quite tough and really heavy. Although beginners won't notice the weight of this skate as they will be really unaware, but for me, as I am skating for quite a bit now, it feels really heavy. But I haven't yet tested it outside, so please subscribe to my channel to see more videos regarding this skate, and I will be shooting a skate video with this one really soon. And I have the 80mm wheels, 4 wheels, and this one is built for freeride, freestyle, this type of skating styles, not for really aggressive ones or speed skating, but it's good for freeride and freestyling. And here we get wheels of Hardnet 86A, so these are quite hard, so it will be good for streaks and slides. And also we get here the abrasive padding so that the skate doesn't wear out so easily, so you can change this part out. Also we get a 45-degree micro adjustable buckle, so it's like this. And just let me tell you that this opening system is quite tricky, to be honest. I got tricked at the first time. So at this side there is two push types, so if you push them at the same time they will open just like this. If I tight it again, if you push them both at the same time, then it will open. So this might trick the beginners a bit. And then also we get here a traditional strap or buckle, as you may say, over here. But the system, I don't like it so much because it has to go over through here and then you have to strap it. But quality wise it's pretty nice for the bucks you pay. And also we get a lacing system that comes up till the ankle. It supports your foot quite well. And we also get a rigid cuff over here that won't move that much. And also they say over here that it has got shock absorber, so I haven't yet taken it outside, so I have to see how much it is the worth. And I think for the money it's a pretty good skate, pretty good quality, and it's a bit heavy, but many of you won't even notice that. So, and the liner over here is really soft but supportive, and also I have got the problem of flat feet, and it felt pretty comfortable for me at least.
So this is the next day and I went skating with the Oxelo MF500 hard boot with 80mm wheels, and the boots are so comfortable. I don't know if it is because of the liners or the boot itself, but it's pretty comfortable and supports my feet too. The boot itself is quite broad and have room for my large feet, to be honest, and the liner supports that and makes it really comfortable for long distances. I went on for skating for about quite a distance, so I didn't feel any pain anywhere, and the wheels are 86A as I said before, and they are superb. They help you to maintain the speed, and also you get the AVEX 7 bearings that helps you to maintain and also pick up the pace that you want. Also these skates are quite maneuverable and you can easily control them. They are pretty responsive and they also support while doing some slalom tricks. I did some one leg crossing, and then I did some 180 jumps, height jumps, side jumps, so it felt pretty good. And also the shock absorber, as they say, did the job quite well. So yeah, I would definitely suggest you to buy this if you are planning to buy this one from Oxelo.
So I don't know what you guys will think about this skate, so please let me know in this comment section below what you guys feel about the skate, and will you go for buying it or not. And if yes, I would suggest to go for the skates because it's really value for money. So yeah, thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up and check out more contents on my channel, and please subscribe to my channel. And thank you, have a nice day, and skate hard, practice hard. Bye.